Today, we dive into the incredible buzz surrounding the Sony A7V. This much-anticipated addition to Sony's esteemed A7 series is already making waves in the photography and videography world with its rumored groundbreaking specs and innovative features. If the leaks are accurate, the A7V could redefine the standard for hybrid cameras. Let's break it all down for you. Design and build. Leaked images suggest that Sony is sticking to the familiar ergonomic design of the A7 series, but with some exciting refinements. A slightly deeper grip promises improved comfort for long shooting sessions, while enhanced weather sealing could make this model a dependable companion for outdoor adventures. Another rumored improvement is the revamped button layout, tailored for hybrid shooters who often switch between photo and video modes. Adding to the usability, the A7V might feature a larger, more responsive LCD touchscreen. This upgrade could address some of the feedback from the A7 IV, making it easier for creators to navigate settings on the fly. These changes show Sony's commitment to user-friendly design without straying too far from what's already proven successful. Sensor and image quality. One of the most exciting rumors about the A7V is its new 33MP full-frame stacked sensor. This innovation could bring faster readout speeds and superior low-light performance. A significant reduction in rolling shutter issues is also expected, a feature that will delight photographers and videographers alike. The sensor might also boast enhanced dynamic range, possibly exceeding 15 stops. If true, this means breathtakingly detailed images with rich textures and accurate colors across various lighting conditions. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiastic hobbyist, the A7 versus sensor upgrades could set new benchmarks for image quality in its class. Autofocus enhancements. Sony's autofocus technology has long been a market leader, and the A7V is expected to take it to the next level. Improved real-time tracking and eye autofocus for humans, animals, and birds are rumored to be on board. Reports also suggest that advanced AI-driven subject recognition will enable even more precise focus, particularly useful for sports and action photographers. Better low-light autofocus performance could make the A7V a reliable choice for astrophotography or events in dim lighting. These enhancements show Sony's dedication to pushing the boundaries of autofocus technology, ensuring that every shot is as sharp and focused as possible. Video capabilities. Videographers have plenty to look forward to with the A7V. Leaks suggest it will support 8K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second. The 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording capability could deliver exceptional video quality, perfect for cinematic productions. Rumored advanced heat dissipation technology, akin to what we've seen in the Sony A1, may allow longer recording times without overheating. The A7V might also include enhanced stabilization features and a dual-gain ISO system, making it an excellent choice for high-end content creators. These advancements could position the A7V as a top contender for both professional filmmakers and ambitious YouTubers. Connectivity and workflow. The Sony A7V is expected to come packed with cutting-edge connectivity features to streamline workflows. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6, USB-C with faster transfer speeds, and dual card slots supporting CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2 cards are all on the table. These features could significantly enhance the camera's utility for professionals handling large files. Integration with Sony's Imaging Edge app is another exciting prospect. This would offer advanced remote control and cloud-based storage options, simplifying both shooting and post-production processes. By focusing on seamless connectivity, Sony continues to cater to the needs of modern creators. Battery life and power management. Battery life is crucial for professionals on the go, and the A7V is rumored to bring notable improvements. While it may retain the NPFZ100 battery used in its predecessors, better power optimization could result in longer shooting sessions. The addition of USB power delivery (PD) support is another potential game changer. This feature could allow for faster charging and even operation via external power banks, making the A7V an ideal choice for creators who need to shoot extensively without interruptions. Price and market position. The A7V is expected to be priced between $2,500 and $2,800, positioning it in the mid to high tier of Sony's lineup. While this price point may seem steep, the rumored features suggest exceptional value for hybrid shooters. By balancing photo and video capabilities, the A7V could appeal to a broad audience, from seasoned professionals to serious hobbyists. Sony's innovative approach indicates that the A7V will compete fiercely with rivals like the Canon R6 Mark II and Nikon Z7 II. If the leaks are accurate, this camera could establish itself as a standout option in its segment. Conclusion: the Sony A7V is shaping up to be a revolutionary addition to the mirrorless market. With its rumored advancements in sensor technology, autofocus, video capabilities, and connectivity, this camera has the potential to become a favorite among creators. If Sony delivers on these leaks, the A7V could redefine what's possible for hybrid cameras. Thank you for tuning in to Technology in the Future. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and insights. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest from the world of technology. Stay inspired, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.